Hello and welcome to our Teach Me Forex Intraday Trading Weekly Report. This session covers the week of trading from Sunday, September 21st all the way to Saturday, September 27, 2008 inside the Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room, where we learn, earn, and have fun all at the same time. Alright, so it was a very good week. The boys had a lot of fun inside the Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room, calling trades this week and taking pips. Goes without saying. So here's a quick results for this week. So 496 net pips were called inside our Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room this week. That was accompanied by a 96.7% winning percentage on their calls. So the boys did really good. They're really excited to show their results this week. So if you wonder how we did that, well, stay tuned. We're about to break it down for you. But first, let me give you all a quick overview of how we do things inside the Intraday Team Trade Room. So first of all, the Intraday Team Trade Room is open for trading from 7:30 to 11:30 Eastern Time, Monday to Friday. So the results shown here basically show trade taken strictly and only during these time frames. Also, you should all know that we analyze up to 8 currency pairs on a daily basis, but we mainly focus on the Euro USD and the Pound USD, and you will see that the bulk of our trades were called on these two pairs. So, but when they're kind of slow going, we'll expand our horizon to pairs like the Swissy, the Yen, the EJ, the Aussie, the Kiwi, and or the Canadian. But mainly on the Euro and the Pound, while analyzing our 1-minute chart and sometimes a little bit on the 5-minute charts there. But in the end, all our signals are mechanical, and so that means there's absolutely no emotions involved, just mechanical execution all the way by all them students. So there we are. So let's get into the results for this week. So 62 trades in total. So lots of little trades. 60 wins, 2 losses. For an average win of 8.6 pips every time we open up a trade. So that is just beautiful. Let's see how we did that. Let's see what the details look like now. Alright, so let's bring up this form, and here it is. Here it is. So we'll take a look at this. So we've got on the 22nd, so it looks like it was about 9 trade setups. Lots of profits, over the two systems, 14, 16. That was the big kahuna day. And for that day, that was 131 total pips on that day. There. So here we go. Next, let's go to Tuesday. Let's do a Tuesday here. So on a Tuesday, so we'll need to come down here, and on the 23rd, there was a whole lot of signals, 12 to 26. So that looks like 14 trade signals, a lot of 4-pippers throughout the day, for a grand total on that day, a day total of 60 big ones. Here you go. Let's keep her going. Let's go on to Wednesday. The Wednesday, we got to take. Wednesday was the 24th, indeed there. So we got to take, from 27 all the way to 40, about 13 signals. Lots of them. A lot of 4-pippers. We had a loss on that day, minus 10 pips, but in the end. Here, total for that day, we pipped a total of 76 net pips after all spreads are paid. This is a lot of day/momentum type trading here. Keep on going on Thursday. We've got, looks like another 13 signals. How many pips did we score that day? Wow, that was 148. Guys really surpassed themselves there. Almost unbelievable what's been happening here in our intraday team trade rooms. Guys calling these short-term trades. And finally Friday, that's only about 8 signals, so I guess the guys were kind of on relaxing looking. Sure guys, there are many more trade signals that occurred on many other currency pairs. So there could have been a lot more trades added to this, but these are the ones that were called live inside the team trade room. Final day for Friday, 77 pippers on Friday, for a big total of 496 pips there potentially one could have gotten if you followed the boys inside the Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room. So this is just a wonderful, wonderful week once again, as per usual. You know, with Teach Me Forex, that's what you got to expect. Extraordinary results are the norm and are the usual. But just like this completes our review for the week. So we want to thank you very much for joining us here, and consider yourself invited to join us again next week for another Teach Me Forex Intraday Trading Weekly Report. And for more info on who we are, what we do, how we do it, or how to join the boys inside the Teach Me Forex Intraday Team Trade Room, please visit www.teachmeforex.com. And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful day.